Right, so I'm going to do a dish with all the baby sweet corn that I got from the allotment yesterday. I will show you. Look at all that. It's a really, really simple dish. And I will prepare everything and then talk you through it. Okay, so I've got all the ingredients prepared now, and I will show you them. So we have, see if you can see that. We have the corn, the baby corn chopped up nicely, coriander chopped up for later, peanuts crushed for later too, soy sauce and honey. And then here I have shallots thinly sliced and fresh chilli as well, which is optional, but I'm using that. Oh, and also a little bit of salt as well will be required. Okay, and that's all of your ingredients. So you start by slowly frying the onion, and in my case chilli, with a bit of salt until it's soft. There you go. So we just fry the onions down on medium heat, I guess, until they all get nice and soft. Once the onions are nice and done, we're going to add some honey. I'll start with a couple of tablespoons, and then we'll see. We just want that to cook until the honey starts to caramelise. Once the onion's nice and reduced, you add your corn. So once the honey has caramelised and the heat's got through all of the corn, add your soy sauce, peanuts, coriander, all served on a bed of rice. Smells lovely. Tastes lovely, crunchy, fresh, sweet, spicy. It's good.